In front of me is OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can lock apps. First of all, you need to access settings, scroll down and click on password and security to make sure that you have privacy password. Then click on it, enter it and tap on app lock over here. You can also go back, click on privacy section, select privacy at the top and select app lock over here. Then enter your privacy password. Either way, when you're ready, hit got it, tap on gray switcher next to app lock and tap on gray switchers next to all of your apps that you wish to lock. When you finished, go back. So now when I try to access one of those apps, I can see that privacy password is required. In order to disable app lock from your apps, click on app lock here, enter privacy password and use no blue switchers next to your apps. You can also disable app lock completely thanks to blue switcher next to app lock feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!